we pray to all of our brothers who are being persecuted worldwide, especially in Palestine, the occupied Holy Land, which no Muslim doubts that it is holy, in the sense that it is the blessed land that is mentioned in the Quran, and that it is occupied by invaders who came 60, 70 years, and they betrayed the hospitality of the people who opened their homes for them and gave them food and shelter, and they kicked them out of their own homes and oppressed them, and now we know what is happening. So we pray for them and for their safety and for their success in fighting oppression and in fighting the invaders and clearing them out of their own land. No one in his right mind would say that, no, this is not fair. You come to my home, you kick me out, and it's okay for you to settle down. And if I try to get you out of my own home, that would be classified as terrorism or injustice. Only mentally distorted people would think like that. So we pray to their victory and to their safe being, and that Allah Azza wa Jal saves our brothers and sisters over there.